Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into one of the most luxurious and powerful SUVs set to hit the market, the 2025 BMW X7. This car doesn't just exude luxury, it commands attention wherever it goes. Let's take a closer look at this stunning exterior. From the front, the BMW X7 makes a bold statement with BMW's iconic kidney grille, now larger and more assertive than ever before. Accentuated with black chrome, it gives a sleek yet powerful modern look. This grille blends seamlessly with the ultra-slim and sharp LED headlights, creating a futuristic vibe that perfectly complements the overall design. As we move to the side, the proportions of this SUV are nothing short of striking. With these massive matte black wheels, the vehicle radiates a sporty character, while the sharp flowing lines across the body emphasize both elegance and performance. The sculpted body gives an aerodynamic silhouette while maintaining a robust, masculine presence. And at the rear, the 2025 BMW X7 continues to impress. The horizontal LED taillights stretch across the back, adding width and stability to the design. Gloss black accents on the rear bumper and spoiler provide a sporty, luxurious touch, while the integrated exhausts give the impression of high performance hidden beneath its elegant exterior. With the perfect blend of refined design and futuristic features, the 2025 BMW X7 sets a new standard in the world of luxury SUVs. It's crafted for more than just comfort and opulence. It's built to showcase power and technology. From the bold front grille, the aerodynamic lines, to the sleek modern rear, everything comes together to create a truly premium SUV. So what do you think of the 2025 BMW X7's exterior design? Is this SUV strong enough to be the king of the roads in the future? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.